Hi. Here are two more letter combinations, Y, E, U, Y, that have the same sound, including the letter I.
I.
Let's start with I. Words. Hi. Kind. Find. Mind. Bind. Child. Next. Hi. Hi. Mind. Mind. Find. Find. Hi, do you mind if I find it for you? Hi, do you mind if I find it for you? Hi, do you mind if I find it for you? Next. Y-E. Words. Bye. Die. Rye. Why. Next. Goodbye. Goodbye. Rye. Rye. Why. Why. Say goodbye to the rye and why. Say goodbye to the rye and why. Say goodbye to the rye and why. Last. U, Y. Words. Bye. Die. Next. Die. Die. Bye. Bye. The guy will buy the toy. The guy will buy the toy. The guy will buy the toy. Compare. All of these have the
I.
sound. I. Hi. Find. Child. Y. Bye. Die. Rye. U, Y. Bye. Guy. I, consonant, E. Like. Ice. Mine. Y. My. By. Sky. I-E. Tie. Pie. Dried. Good job. Bye.